Hi guys, it's Erin here. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about something that could completely transform your oral health. It's called Purdentix. If you've been looking for more information about this product, then you're in the right place. I'll be breaking everything down for you: what it is, how it works, and an important alert you need to hear. I've also left the official website link in the description below, so check that out after watching. Now let's dive in. Imagine this. You wake up, head to the bathroom, look in the mirror, and your smile just doesn't look the way it used to. Maybe you're noticing bad breath, plaque buildup, or gum irritation, and no matter how well you brush or floss, that clean, fresh feeling never really lasts. Sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. I've been there too, and that's exactly why I want to talk to you about Purdentix. Purdentix is not just another toothpaste or mouthwash. It's a powerful oral care solution designed to target the root causes of common dental issues. Whether it's persistent bad breath, bleeding gums, or stubborn plaque, Purdentix works deeply to clean your mouth and restore oral balance. What makes Purdentix so special is its unique blend of natural ingredients. These ingredients work together to reduce harmful bacteria, freshen breath, and support healthier gums, all without harsh chemicals. That means it's gentle, yet incredibly effective. With regular use, you'll start noticing a real difference. Your teeth feel cleaner, your breath stays fresher for longer, and your gums feel calm and comfortable. It's not about masking the problem. It's about treating it from the inside out. Another thing I love about Purdentix is how easy it is to use. Just follow the instructions on the label and make it part of your daily routine. No complicated steps, no expensive treatments, just simple, effective oral care from the comfort of your home. So, if you're tired of struggling with oral health problems and want a natural, proven solution, Purdentix might be exactly what you've been searching for. But here's a very important alert. Purdentix is only sold on its official website. You won't find it in stores or on third-party sites. There are knockoffs out there, so be careful. That's why I've included the only official link in the description box below. Make sure you check it out after watching. On the official site, you can read verified testimonials, see the full list of ingredients, and of course, place your order with full confidence that you're getting the real thing. So, now that you've heard everything, go ahead and visit the official Purdentix website. Give your smile the care it truly deserves. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more health tips. I'm Olivia, and I'll see you in the next video.